Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investments. So market is kind of showing a sign of reversal today. When I was checking Nifty today, it is going up, down. It went out a rally, then it gave all back. It's keep throwing lower highs, and lower highs. However, yesterday market went on a crazy crash. Uh, I think it was yesterday was what 90. Yeah, it gave all back, then it came crashing again, then it became crashing again. Why is this happening with market so bearish this week? And what is the expectation of the market tomorrow? Mainly before that, I wanted to demonstrate my trading portfolio. I did quite well. I shorted physics wala even with a good Q2. Even with a good Q2. I think this is Q2. Even with good Q2, it didn't report. It did report good earning, but the street wasn't happy. It started showing signs of reversal. Then I started shorting. Same with. Same with Sun Pharma. I shorted it. It is a stupid company. However, I found another few companies which are stupid companies, but I'll show later. I want to show you two of my report. So this is my overall stock portfolio performance. This is my stock portfolio performance. My average intraday was I made quite a good gain. I made quite a good gain. I made a lot of money from if I can. I made quite a good money from Sun Pharma and Physics Wala. Hopefully, tomorrow it's kind of bearish bullish day. I will come to in just a second, and I am. I have trimmed down my position in Jindal Saw and JTL Industry because they were dragging my portfolio insanely down. And when I trimmed it, I finally got no one day I became green, but I'll be only be holding, keeping my exposure to it a lot. And I also got good investable cash right now, so I can deploy it in some good companies if based on how Fed reacts to it. I'm not taking any positions tomorrow today for tomorrow. Um, so what is happening with Fed? There is an general sense in the market. The market was mainly was a bearish week this week, mainly because Fed is reporting its interest rate tomorrow, but main topic is not Fed. Yeah, you can say there is 85.2 percentage chance that Fed will cut interest rate, but it's not the main theme. The main theme here is with how market, with how press conference, which is 30 minutes after the interest rate decision, where Jerome Powell will answer a few questions, because 2025 was a very bad year for market, not just in Indian market or Nasdaq in general, for every global market. A lot of back macro effect economics started weighing in, and those who took advantages of this bear market, you know uh, hopefully we get the reward for in 2006 how market will look. But my prediction is it got factored in. Already. All the macro started factor. Interest rate cutting is the least. I wouldn't say trivial, but it's not that important compared to what the press conferences. That is way more pivotal because it will because Jerome Powell will answer the questions of a few analysts. He will describe how what we should look out for 2026. What are the key data he's looking out for in 2026. Based on that, Jerome Powell will determine whether it's hawkish or dovish, based on an analyst question. So I am very much excited on how market will react tomorrow. Hopefully, it's a crash because I can enter some position in good companies tomorrow. Tomorrow because macro is just short term. Macro is just short term in general stock market. So yeah, Nasdaq is also a bit of a heavy tailwind today. Mainly because of Fed. This whole week, the main theme is mainly about Fed's interest rate decision. Fed's interest rate decision. That is what will be the main theme this week. If market does good, Fed if there is something like unexpected that Jerome Powell said when answering an analyst question, you can expect a huge crash tomorrow in a market. If Fed says something positive, if Fed says that 2025 was a very bad year for market, but we are monitoring the tariff and everything. Mostly tariff will be erased, or tariff will be erased. And bond yield will be the main topic. Another which Jerome Powell will use. Uh, if any these two we got good news regarding to that, we could see a good bull run for market tomorrow. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. And guys, actually I'm looking for a few. I'm looking for a one co-CIO which you would be partnering with me. I cannot offer you salary, but I need a really good CIO, but I'll give you profit sharing and 50% of the company. If anyone is bored, please drop a message in the comments, and I will reach out to. I'll send you my email. I'll send you, or just send a. I'll send you my email. Please, we'll have a talk after that. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.